Hello friends, welcome to SRS by Tutorial. I am Samyananjan. Today in this video we will discuss about structure of mitochondria. This is an eukaryotic animal cell. As we know, the cell is bounded by plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus are present. The cytoplasm contains cytosol and a number of membrane bounded organelles. Mitochondrion is one of them. Now come to the brief discovery of mitochondrion. Colliker was first to discover mitochondria as granular structure in insect in the year 1880. Fleming termed them as phyla in 1882. Then Richard Altman in 1890 named this organelle as bioblast. The present name mitochondria was assigned by Benda. Shape of mitochondrion. Mitochondrion is a filamentous organelle present in all eukaryotic cells except RBC. It occupies up to 15 to 20% of the cytoplasmic volume of eukaryotic cell. It is about 0.5 to 2 micrometer long in length and 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer wide in diameter. The number of mitochondria in a cell depends on the type and functional state of the cell. It is bounded by two membranes. Each mitochondrial membrane is 6 nanometer in thickness. Structure of mitochondrion. It has two membranes named as outer mitochondrial membrane and inner mitochondrial membrane. These two membranes divide the mitochondrion into two compartments such as intermembrane space and inner compartment. Now come to outer mitochondrial membrane. It encloses the mitochondrion as its outer boundary. It is smooth and consists of several transport protein named as porine. Porine is a special class of beta barrel type of membrane protein that creates aqueous pores across the membrane. The outer membrane is composed of 50% protein and 50% phospholipid. It contains more unsaturated fatty acid and less cholesterol. It is also contain a mixture of enzyme involved in oxidation of epinephrine, the degradation of tryptophan, and elongation of fatty acids. It is permeable to all molecule of 5000 Dalton or less. The inner mitochondrial membrane surrounds the mitochondrial matrix. It is highly folded to form invagination known as cristae. It contains more than 100 different type of polypeptides. It is devoid of cholesterol and rich in cardiolipin. It is freely permeable to oxygen, carbon dioxide and water, but selectively permeable to ions and small molecule than the outer membrane. The mitochondrial membrane is divided into two regions, inner boundary membrane and cristae. The inner boundary membrane is present parallel to the outer mitochondrial membrane. It contains the machinery for protein import, new membrane insertion, and assembly of the respiratory chain complexes. The inner boundary membrane join with the crista membrane by crista junctions. Cristae are about 20 nanometer wide membrane disc or tubules. They protrude deeply into the matrix. They enclose an area known as crista space. Crista membranes are composed of 25% of lipids and 75% of proteins. They increase the membrane area available for oxidative phosphorylation. They contain the ATP synthase and protein complex of the respiratory chain. The ATP synthase is also called as F0F1 particle. They are responsible for ATP synthesis. Thus, mitochondria are also termed as powerhouse of the cell. Intermembrane space is the narrow gap between inner boundary membrane and the outer mitochondrial membrane. It is about 20 to 30 nanometer wide. The component of intermembrane space is similar to cytosol with respect to ion and small molecules. Then come to inner compartment. It consists of dense homogeneous gel-like proteinaceous material called matrix. It enclosed by inner mitochondrial membrane. The matrix contains several enzymes, ribosomes, and mitochondrial genome. The matrix contains enzymes involved in oxidation of pyruvate, fatty acid oxidation, protein synthesis, and synthesis of nucleic acid. Instead of these enzymes, the matrix also contains nucleotides, nucleotide coenzymes, and inorganic electrolytes. The mitochondrial ribosome is similar to that of prokaryotic ribosome. Mostly 70S type of ribosomes are found in mitochondria, but mammals have 50S type of ribosome, which has 30S type of larger subunit and 20S type of smaller subunit. The mitochondrial genome are usually circular DNA like bacterial genome. They are present in multiple copies per organelle. They encode only essential protein components of oxidative phosphorylation system. They also encode all ribosomal RNA and transport RNA needed for translation of these components. Other mitochondrial proteins are encoded by nuclear genes. The size of genome is different in different organisms. Like human mitochondrial genome is about 18 kilobase pair. Yeast mitochondrial genome is about 80 kilobase pair, whereas plant mitochondrial genome is more than 200 kilobase pair. The human mitochondrial genome encodes 13 proteins involved in electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation. These proteins are transcribed and translated within mitochondria by using their own ribosomes and transfer RNAs. Followings are encoded by mitochondrial genome, component of respiratory complex of 1, 3, 4, and 5. 16S ribosomal RNAs, 12S ribosomal RNA, and 22 types of transfer RNA. As we discussed, mitochondrion has own genetic material with machinery components for replication and translation. It is termed as semi-autonomous organelle. It is also called as powerhouse of cell because it contains ATP synthase which can produce ATP as energy source. This is a brief discussion about structure of mitochondrion. In the next video, we will discuss about origin and function of mitochondria.